I'm not one for calling folks, but
sometimes you have to.
yep, sir.
Sometimes you gotta swallow our pride and do what needs to be done, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, this is a spark ignition. I do smell gas.
You do?
A little bit. Oh. Thermostat's turned up, is it?
Yeah, it's on 73. Can we turn it higher?
Nope, because it's not 73 up there, so.
No, it's not.
Let me check to see if we got some voltage. This must be my comp. Well, you may have a bad thermostat. Before I do that, I'm going to check for some gas leaks here.
You just try to do jump start it,
Yep.
like we used to do with solenoids on the car.
Yep. So I'm going to plant the seed. Have you thought about upgrading your furnace to a newer one?
My wife is trying to get me to.
Okay, you might want to listen to your wife. I hate to listen to mine sometimes, but she's probably right. Cause this is old.
Well, I told her we're gonna shop around after we get it fixed.
I got a leak right there. Oh, I smell gas. Right there at that union. It's leaking pretty good. May have to go grab some Big Daddies.
Tell me that we can't stop this from working.
No, but you could blow your house up if you don't get it taken care of.
Okay.
It's pretty bad. I smelled it as soon as I walked in the house. Just loose.
Well, she's already talking about it, so you know the wives always win out.
They do. I've learned from a long time ago. You don't. Sometimes you have to give because they.
Yeah, they stop everything. You get
Oh yeah.
You don't want to feed you. Don't want to fuck you.
Right.
None of that.
Happy wife, happy life.
And see, I'm a trucker. I run all 48 states.
Uh-huh.
Oh hell, I didn't know this lake worked. Hell, she only see me 2 times out of a week anyway.
Well, that thing's still leaking. So, I have to take this thing on apart to redope it.
Yeah, she only see me 2 days out of a week anyway. So.
Yeah, that's probably pretty hard.
No, she said it don't bother her.
How long you all been married?
Only a year and a half. This is my 4th marriage.
Oh, wow. 4th marriage, huh? Now being a trucker, it's probably hard on the marriages, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm through. I'd rather be by my damn self anyway. Because I'm fighting with her now. I want to move back to Dallas.
Is that where you're from?
I'm from here, but
That's where my sister-in-law lives, is in Dallas.
I lived there for 20 years and came back here to take care of her mom, but she passed away.
Oh, sorry to hear about that.
Thanks. So,
That's why it's...
you need to go up?
Well, this...
Hold that pipe up here.
No, it's not that. It's this whole pipe's kittywampus. That's why it's not sealing. Plus this is upside down. So let me switch this around.
It's upside down.
This union, this should be facing downward. Oh wow, look at that. That's why it's leaking. That was just barely on. Holy cow, look at that. Hands height.
Well, I'm glad it didn't blow my wife up.
Yeah.
Or us.
I didn't see nothing. Yeah, that thing was finger tight.
Maybe that's stopping the gas from going.
No, that had nothing to do with that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's tight, so just the bottom. Yeah, I could smell gas as soon as I walked in the door.
Upstairs?
Yeah. Wasn't super strong, but I could smell a hint of gas.
Well, I appreciate you for noticing it.
Oh yeah.
Thank God he gave you the knowledge to work on it. Gotta give all the glory to God, man.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, let's try that.
Big, strong guy.
Well, eat my Wheaties. Let's try that. Yeah, I don't smell nothing now.
Are we good to go?
We are good to go.
Good. You go, sir. What was your name, Gary?
Chris.
Chris.
Garrett's my dad.
Oh.
He passed away in 2020. Alright, so let me go up and look at your thermostat. Grab this.
Say, ain't nothing wrong with the thermostat. I said, let me do this. The man leads, right? Aren't we supposed to lead?
Yeah, we are.
And the wife's supposed to follow, even though they tell us what to do. So we try to lead. I don't get it. I don't get this marriage stuff.
Okay. Let's see, auto heat. Run, hold. How long is, there it was.
Did we kick on?
Yep.
Trying to kick on.
Yeah. Gas valve's bad. Well, yep, your valve's bad. Welcome back. We're this is that job. Actually, I'll just roll this into the same video, and we're gonna be replacing this old 40-some-year-old barred furnace that was kind of puked in here. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna set it on a set of Concord on a box. Filter box, redo all this, get rid of all that, tie into that, and we're gonna get rid of some of these cobwebs with the broom. And then we're going to get rid of this, and Corey's gonna do his metal god work and make a plenum and tie into the 503 there, and then we're gonna drop a liner down through, and should be a great time. No, let's wait a minute until we get this punted. We may have to get over there. We may have to get to that.
9 3/4, 9 3/8 by 11 3/4.
Corey, the Golden Locks metal guy, just got the punting done. Yeah, we gotta tape that, and then that'll be tied in. Is. Uh-oh, we got our tape jacked up right there. Oops. Uh-oh. No, we'll just throw that or foil tape. We'll tape it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to bump that up.
Yep. Alright, perfect. Yep. Some cat.
All right.
Hey Mom, if you're watching, don't freak out. Cool, looks like he's got it. Oh, hopefully I got enough with this tube. Definitely burn this tube up on this, make it a nice seal. Okay.
Pull.
Yep. Okay, pull it tight. Okay, we're down. Okay, go turn that breaker on. Here, get Dave, you watch your finger. Okay, we got power. Alright. Still we got ignition. Alright, Corey's hooking up the metal right there for the return. Right now it's Wi-Fi, but everything else is done. And got this box. We got filters in here. Got my stickers with QR code order filters. Liner's done. What do you think?
Looks good.
Better,
already, huh?
better than what it was in here before, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Here's the metal in the back. Corey did a great job on that. We extended that out. That turned out good. It kind of cleaned it up a little bit. So if you got any value out of this content, smash that thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one.